Look, so many people trying TikTok affiliate marketing in 2026 are getting it completely wrong, and it's costing them a fortune. They're obsessed with viral sounds and follower counts, but they're missing the one thing that actually drives commissions. So in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you the 3 most common sales-killing mistakes I see everyone from beginners to so-called experts making. Then I'll pull back the curtain on the correct method a handful of creators are using to quietly pull in $5,000 to $10,000 a month. If you're totally new to this, I'm going to show you how to start the right way, so you don't waste months on strategies that just don't work anymore. And if you're already making TikTok shop content, but your views aren't turning into cash, this will be the light bulb moment you've been waiting for. The game has totally changed. That Wild West era of throwing random videos out there and crossing your fingers, those days are over. Success in 2026 is about strategy, not luck. All right, let's dive into the wrong way. These are the 3 mistakes I see every single day that are a surefire way to end up with 0 commissions and a whole lot of frustration. Mistake number 1. You're a salesperson, not a problem solver. This is, without a doubt, the biggest fumble beginners make. Their content screams, "Buy this now," from the first second. It feels like a desperate, pushy car ad. They just hold up a product, rattle off the features, and tell you to click the link. Here's the hard truth. Nobody opens TikTok to be sold to. They're there to be entertained, to learn something new, or just to zone out. When your video comes out of the gate with a hard pitch, people have already scrolled past before you can finish your sentence. You're telling the viewer and the algorithm that your content is junk. The algorithm sees that awful watch time and buries your video, ensuring almost nobody sees it. You're training your audience to swipe away from you. That is the wrong way. Mistake number 2. You're a random product promoter. This is when you land on an affiliates page and it looks like a chaotic garage sale. One day it's a posture corrector, the next it's a weird kitchen gadget, and the day after it's a new brand of dog food. This is one of the fastest ways to lose all credibility. When you promote everything, you're an expert on nothing. Your audience gets confused. They have no idea who you are, what your page is about, or why they should trust a single thing you recommend. Chasing products just because they have a high commission is a short-term gamble that almost always leads to long-term failure. You'll never build a loyal community, which is the whole point of a sustainable affiliate business. You just become more noise. Mistake number 3, you're chasing vanity metrics. Okay, this one's for those of you already getting some views. You might even be getting a lot of views. You post a video, it hits 100,000 views, and you get that sweet dopamine rush. But when you check your TikTok shop dashboard, you've made a grand total of $12. This is the classic vanity metrics trap. People get obsessed with views and gross merchandise value, or GMV, but they never look at the numbers that actually matter. Your click-through rate, your conversion rate, and most importantly, your actual profit. It's shockingly common for people to manage their shop by looking at the big, flashy GMV number instead of digging into the profitability of each product. A viral video is a failure if it doesn't lead to sales. You're basically working for free, or even losing money if you're putting ad spend behind it. Remember this, GMV is vanity, profit is sanity. So if that's the wrong way, the way that gets you absolutely nowhere, what's the secret? What is this correct method that top creators are using to build a real, profitable system with TikTok affiliate marketing in 2026? It's not about getting lucky or having 1 million followers. It's about making a few smart shifts in your approach to the whole game. Step number 1, become a niche architect, not a general store. Stop promoting random stuff. You need to pick one niche and completely own it. But here's where we go a level deeper. The correct way is to choose a single hero product with proven demand and build your entire content strategy around the problem that product solves. Here's the framework: don't sell the product, sell the transformation. Your videos must show a clear before and after. For example, instead of a video called "Buy this awesome portable blender," you make a video titled "My 30-second morning hack for way more energy." In that video, you show your messy, chaotic morning, talk about the struggle of having no time for a healthy breakfast, and then you introduce the portable blender as the hero of the story. The solution: you give them value first with a hack, and the product is just the tool that makes it possible. This builds trust instantly and makes the sale feel like a helpful suggestion, not a pushy pitch. Step number 2. Engineer your content for conversion, not just views. The affiliate videos that actually make money aren't accidents, they are engineered. Your goal isn't just to stop the scroll, it's to walk a viewer from being curious to clicking buy, all within a single video. This means your content needs to follow a simple but powerful structure: 80% value, 20% pitch. The correct way is to use a model I call entertain, educate, guide. First, you entertain with a strong, relatable hook in the first 3 seconds. Next, you educate them by showing the problem and demonstrating how the product solves it in a super clear way. This is where product demos and user-generated style reviews work like magic. Finally, you guide them with a soft, natural call to action. Ditch the aggressive "buy now" and try something like, "If you want to check it out for yourself, I've linked it right here on the screen." Or, "Honestly, this has been a game changer for me. You can grab it from the orange shopping cart below." Your whole profile needs to back this up. Your bio, your pinned videos, your profile pic. It all needs to tell a new visitor exactly who you are and what problem you solve. Step number 3. Become a data detective, not a view counter. This is the pro-level step that separates the amateurs from the real earners. The wrong way is staring at views. The correct way is to log into your TikTok studio and become a data detective. You need to get obsessed with 3 things. First is your click-through rate, or CTR. What percentage of viewers actually clicked the product link? A low CTR tells you your call to action is weak or the product wasn't a good fit for the video. Second, look at your engagement signals. Are people saving your video? Are they asking buying questions in the comments, like "Does it come in black?" or "How long is shipping?" These are huge green flags indicating high purchase intent. And third, the most important metric of all profitability. You have to track your revenue against your commissions and any ad spend, week by week. This is how you find your true winner videos, the ones that are actually making you money. You can't improve what you don't measure. Step number 4, the scaling secret, the hybrid amplification loop. Once you've used your data to find a video that's organically making profitable sales, it's time to pour gasoline on the fire. This is where the top 1% of affiliates really pull away from the pack in 2026. They use a system I call the hybrid amplification loop. Here's how it works. First, you can use TikTok's open collaboration plan to get your product in front of a ton of new affiliates at a standard commission. This is for pure discovery. Second, you spot the best performing creators from that group and invite them to a targeted plan with a much higher commission to keep them motivated and loyal. But here's the final, most powerful piece. You take your own best performing organic video, that profitable winner you found in step 3, and you turn it into a Spark ad. Spark ads are incredible because they use your authentic native video and put paid targeting behind it, keeping all the original likes and comments as social proof. This creates a killer feedback loop. You use organic posts to find what works, then you use paid ads to scale what's already proven to make money. This is how you turn one great video into an evergreen sales machine. Look, I get it. Putting all these pieces together, finding a niche, picking a hero product, engineering content, and digging into data can feel like a lot, especially if you're just starting out. That's exactly why I put together a completely free guide called the TikTok Affiliate Starter Kit. So, to recap the correct way to do this: 1. Be a niche architect. Solve one problem with one hero product. 2. Engineer your content for conversion with the Entertain, Educate, Guide framework. 3. Be a data detective. Focus on profit, not just views. And 4. Scale your winners with the hybrid amplification loop. Stop doing affiliate marketing the wrong way. Stop wasting your time and energy. The opportunity on TikTok Shop is absolutely massive, but it rewards smart strategy, not hustle. Go build a real profitable system. If you got any value from this video, do me a favor and smash that like button. It tells me to make more of this. And be sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next one. And don't forget to grab that free TikTok affiliate starter kit at the first link in the description. Now go get it.